I got a picture of your brakes too.
It has nothing on it. He has a whole ass. What the? It's a racing car. What did you expect?
I can't close the door. I can't close the door.
Oh, that was.
So sick. What's up, guys? I am back up here at the one and only LPF. We have got my truck and trailer loaded up. Not my trailer, Zach's trailer. But got the car loaded up. We're going to a private rental today. Go see what we can do. We actually found an issue last night with my converter. Something about the bearing came apart or something, and it wasn't letting me stall past like 1500, and that's why essentially I lost in the either second or third round of eliminations at Mod Nationals. So we put fortunately a stock converter back in it, and now we can stall back up again. So gonna see what that does. I'm sure I'll have plenty of videos on that, and so let's go get it. So after we put in the new converter, the back to stock one, we took the car out last night, went down to Mexico, got out the Dragy that I just got, and on the very first try on setting one, just a little baby boost, 17 pounds, we went 4.1, 60 to 130. We tried turning it up a little bit, turn it up to setting 2, and it just blew the tires off. Setting 2 was probably, 18 and a half, 19 pounds. So, an extra, let's see, it's usually about 30 pounds. So, I mean, extra maybe 60, 70 horsepower, somewhere around there. So the car is rolling on just baby boost right now. So let's see what it keeps on doing. Hopefully this stock converter does well for us today. We'll see. All right, guys, on our way home. So the stock converter worked pretty well. I ended up getting the best 60 foot I've ever got in the car. I managed to pull a 129, pulled a couple 131s, you know, but I set another record. I set the 8th mile per hour record. I went 819 at 168 today, so I got a little bit closer to the record with that pass.